Welcome to State of Tech. Let's take a look at FCB Studio for the iPhone, as well as your Android devices and iPads. So open up FCB Studio and it brings us into our wall, where it's going to show us our feed. Now this is going to be photos that I've posted, as well as other users that I am following, and I can see their photos, I can like them, I can comment on them, I can reshare them, and even share them with any one of my favorite social networks. Tapping on the latest up here in the top left hand corner will show me the latest photos that have been posted. And then if I go to top 10, it'll show me the top 10 user rated, and the my picks will show me my picks. Now you can see with each one of these photos, we are imposing an actual Barcelona player on our photo. And the way that you do this is you're going to open up the camera. So when this little menu at the bottom is open, tap on the camera icon, and then we're going to be able to select a player, team, and then we can also purchase other items to actually take photos with as well. So tap on the player you're wanting to take a photo with, and then we're going to be able to use some. The ones with badges on them, those are ones that are in-app purchases, but the ones without them, you'll be able to use for free. So go ahead and tap on one, it loads it in. You see in the bottom right hand corner we have 100 XP, it's going to use that to take the photo, and we have 480 up on the top of the screen. So go ahead and tap use, and it's going to allow us to use this photo. And now what I can do is pinch to zoom in and place him wherever I want to. Now currently by default it's going to open up the rear camera, but what I can do is tap in the bottom right hand corner and open up the selfie camera. So I took my photo there, and now what I can do is enhance it, I can apply some effects, and do a bunch of different edits to this photo to make it really unique and make it one of a kind to myself. Now when I've done all that, I'll tap done, it's going to save the photo, and now you'll be prompted to complete your profile to win extra points. And then what I need to do now is add a caption, add tags, and then share this. Now, when I share this, what I want to do is try and share with many networks as possible. So you see Facebook and Twitter down below, because what I'm going to do is if I can get into the top 10, I can be entered into win a trip to Barcelona. And this competition is going to happen around every 3 months. So caption your photo and make sure you fill everything out in here and share it to as many people as you can. So that way they can come in here and rate your photo, and hopefully you'll end up in that top 10. So once it's been posted, it'll show up in the latest feeds, and then people can go ahead and like it, comment, reshare it, and do all the sorts of different social network things that we typically do. Now tapping at the top of the screen is going to go ahead and load in our menu. Here we can see our profile. I can go into the FCB Studio, view fans, view the contest, view my friends, and also view sponsors. Now, as I mentioned earlier before, there is the shop here where I can purchase the actual Barcelona gear. I have premium packages, which I can get more XP, and then I can earn free XP points by coming in here and completing different tasks. And then down in the bottom right hand corner, if I receive any messages, I'll be able to view them here, as well as invite friends and contacts into FCB Studio. And all I have to do is come tap on the camera, it's going to load in, and I'll be able to select another player to take a photo with. So once again, this application is called FCB Studio. If you like it, pick it up for your iPhone and iPad in the App Store, and for your Android devices in the Google Play Store.